Hello? Stay in your car. Stay in your car. What are you doing? Stay in your car.
What are you doing?
Get back in your...
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In December of 2022, of your name Josh was traveling to the store when California Highway Patrolman Nico LeBeau passed Josh's vehicle, heading in the opposite direction. Josh lifted his middle finger to the officer and eventually turned into his destination's parking lot. Meanwhile, Officer LeBeau made a U-turn and followed Josh into the lot, who then pulled into a parking spot and exited his vehicle when he noticed the officer had chased him down.
Hello? Stay in your car. Stay in your car. What are you doing? Stay in your car.
What are you doing?
Get back in your...
In the officer's report, he claimed that Josh quickly exited his vehicle and began walking towards him aggressively and tensed up. That Josh's aggressive demeanor and actions made him unsure of whether he was armed and intended on harming the officer. But the dashcam video shows Josh calmly exiting his vehicle and stopping, holding a phone in one hand and his keys in the other. The video also shows that Officer LeBeau immediately walked up to Josh and grabs him. Officer LeBeau's report fails to mention that the officer attempted to grab a hold of Josh's beard, and though the officer missed, this use of force is unnecessary for a traffic stop in which the driver stopped to speak to the officer. Officer LeBeau then throws Josh onto his back and delivers several punches to his face. Josh was then pinned on his stomach when a passerby that watched one too many episodes of Cops jumped into the fight to hold Josh's wrists and yelled commands at him as well, though he had no idea why Josh was face down on the pavement. Being held down by the second man allowed Officer LeBeau to continue punching Josh several more times with a closed fist.
Roll over on your back. Roll over on your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
I can't.
Put your hand behind your back. You're in custody. Relax.
Throw me another
For
unit.
what?
Relax.
What did I do?
Van Buren.
Relax, and he'll
What did
tell
I
you.
do?
He'll tell you in a second. Relax.
You don't even know what I did.
You want a cuff on?
You're in Washington requesting additional unit.
I'm retired. Now just relax, okay? Everything will get explained to you in a second.
Okay.
Do you have any weapons on you? Do you have any weapons?
Are you a cop?
No, he is a cop.
I'm not talking to you, bud.
Okay.
702.
He's got a mag.
702.
I got a
I got
what?
the party detained now.
The party
Yeah,
detained?
Yeah, I'm detained.
I saw the whole thing.
Start firing supervisor.
Yeah, please do. You're about to lose your job, pal.
Okay, just confirm. Continue them.
Okay, it's over. Relax now.
702, continue another unit. But I have him detained, cuffed.
You need another unit. You have and just confirm, can I clear the air or not yet?
God damn it. Would you please stop?
702, I'll wait till another unit's here. Stop doing what?
You attacked me, pal.
Yeah, when you got out of your car.
Yeah, when I got out of my car.
Though other witnesses claim to have watched the encounter, one woman sides with the officer, seemingly for no other reason other than the fact that he is an officer.
What the f did I do? What did I do? Who attacked who?
You attacked the officer.
Bullshit. He came up to me.
You attacked the officer.
Bullshit.
I was standing right here.
Thank you.
What are you doing? Stay in your car. What are you doing? Get back in your...
The same woman from earlier now claims that the officer was being nice to Josh prior to the engagement.
702, you can clear the air now.
He was being
You're gonna
nice
roll
to
onto
me?
your left side.
Okay.
Bring your knees in.
Oh, that was
Bring your knees in, you're gonna stand up. We're gonna walk to the back of the car.
You better have a good reason to stop at me, bud.
Yeah, you have no plates on your vehicle, buddy.
Oh, yeah?
Josh had recently purchased the truck and had a bill of sale, and he was never charged with any traffic-related offenses because he hadn't committed a traffic violation and there was nothing there to charge him with.
Sit down.
The reason to stop you.
It's that guy's phone.
I think so.
You okay?
Yeah. Freaking guy.
Oh, when your mag fell out, I'm like, oh, does he have a gun on him?
No.
Oh, no, I appreciate it.
Thank you very much for your help. Appreciate it.
That lady says she'll give you a full statement.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I'm still shaking.
I need to get your info here in a second.
Yeah. That's okay, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yes, that was totally for coming so quickly.
Oh.
Do anything.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Attack, anyway.
We'll have you hang tight for just a minute,
I
okay?
will. I will.
Overall, this traffic stop appears to be nothing more than retaliation against Josh for exercising his First Amendment right to express his disapproval of law enforcement. There are very limited times where resisting arrest would be favorable to the victim of an unlawful arrest, but generally, in the vast majority of cases, even if the initial charge was dropped or dismissed, you could still face a separate charge for resisting arrest. Plus, it typically never ends favorably for those that do. And while it makes no sense that your right to defend yourself is stripped when your assailant works for the state, unfortunately, that's the way it is until we get it changed. In this case, Josh was charged with resisting and assault against a peace officer, but his public defender quit after Josh levied a complaint against her for allegedly causing an unnecessary delay in the case. Chris Joseph, who recently joined the ranks at the Riverside DA, is prosecuting Josh and has offered him 2 plea deals so far. The first offer was 2 years of probation, 90 days in jail, and 16 anger management courses, but after Josh denied that, they offered for him to plead guilty to resisting, and they would drop the assault charge, give him time served for the 1 day he spent in jail, eliminate the fines, and give no probation. However, it becomes immensely more difficult to win a civil lawsuit if you are found guilty by a judge or jury in criminal court, and Josh already filed a lawsuit against the officers and civilians involved in this case. However, because of the younger abstention, which states that federal courts should not interfere with state proceedings, the lawsuit cannot continue until the criminal case is either dismissed or has gone to trial. His trial is set for November 17th, so depending on when you're watching this, the pinned comment may have his current case status. Otherwise, when news of the lawsuit is made available, I'll be sure to let you know. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.